Moving on to the binary OR operator. So it works similarly as the AND operator. There's going to be some Boolean value to the left, another Boolean value to the right, and then it will produce a new Boolean value. So the OR operator will evaluate as true if one or both of its arguments are true. So if we look over here, here's the truth table for it. So P and Q are the arguments. There's 4 combinations, just like there are with and all of them will evaluate as true except for the one that has both arguments as false. So let's take a look at this, writing this out in Python. So we have true or true. So if we say true or true, then this whole expression will evaluate as true. We could do something again like 5 is greater than 3, or 8 is greater than 4. So both of these are true, and the same thing, or has lower precedence than the comparison operators. So we'll get true here over first, and then true over here. True or true is true. Now, with or, only one of them has to be true. So if we have true or false, then the whole expression is true. So let's do that over here. So if we write 5 is greater than 3 or 8 is greater than 40, well, this is false. 8 is not greater than 40, but 5 is greater than 3. And if you ask this in plain English, it should make sense. If I asked you, is 5 greater than 3 or 8 greater than 40? Is one of those true? And the answer is yes, so it'll evaluate as true. The order doesn't matter over here. We could have true or false. So it doesn't matter which one is true. So the same thing over here. We could say is 5 greater than 30 or 8. Let's go back to 4 or greater than 4. So the second one is true over here. So the whole expression is true. And the only one that evaluates as false is when both of them are false. So false or false evaluates as false. And that's the same thing as is 5 greater than 40 or 8 greater than 40, and that is false.